Want to unlock the secret to the perfect steak? The key lies in a simple yet precise technique. Start by bringing your steak to room temperature. Once ready, preheat your skillet on high heat until it's smoking hot. Season generously with salt and pepper. Add oil and lay the steak down gently, resisting the urge to flip. Sear for about 3 to 4 minutes, then flip and cook another 2 to 3 minutes for a mouth-watering crust. Rest it for 5 minutes before slicing into juicy perfection. Your steak game has never been stronger.